Assalam, Assalamu alaikum grade 6. Today we will study the second type of cell division, which is the meiosis. In mitosis, cell divide but the number of chromosomes remain the same. Mitosis occur to regenerate any kind of damaged cells in the body. Mitosis means, it is basically Greek word. Mitos means thread. Today we will study how one organism reproduce its own living being, its own offspring with the help of meiosis. Body cells, damaged body cells are replaced by the cell division process called mitosis, and next generation is produced with the help of process called meiosis. Meiosis is derived from the Greek word which means half. In mitosis, the number of chromosomes in human body, which is 46, remains the same in the daughter cells, but in meiosis the chromosome number is reduced 46 to 23. 46 chromosomes from the parents are turned into 23 chromosomes, or the sex cells or the gametes. Number of chromosomes reduces in meiosis, as the words indicate, half. This topic is on page number 30. First we will do the reading. Sex cells are formed through meiosis. Sex cells are basically the gametes producing in the genitals or the reproductive organs of the male and female, by which next generation is produced. Body cells have twice as many cells as the sperms and eggs. It means that the number of cells which are present in the body is 100 times greater than the cells present in the genitals, which is the sperms and the egg cells. The cells join together during the sexual reproduction to form a new cells. In the meiosis, during the sexual reproduction involves the formation of zygote or embryo with the help of sperm and egg cell coming from the mother and father to form a next offspring, which new cell, and the new cell name is zygote. When the two cells become joined, the new cell have a complete set of chromosome, which is the reproduction. As I have told you, the sperms and eggs are the sex cells of living being, and they have chromosome number 23 and 23. When sperms and egg join together, they will produce 23 plus 23, 46 chromosomes. As I've told you that every human being contain 46 chromosomes. So that's how 46 chromosomes with the help of process meiosis, which means halves, is converted into 46. But with the help of sperm, which has 23 chromosome, and eggs which have 23 chromosome. If sperms and egg also have 46 chromosome, then the next generation will become abnormal. When 46 and 46 will combine together, it will produce not 46, it will become larger than the expected value, and then the next organism will be an abnormal. That's why the sperms and egg cells have half the number of chromosome than the living being, than the human. That's why the next generation will have a 46 chromosomes. Otherwise the generation will have produced some abnormality or have the mutation. This is the diagram of the meiosis. First parent cell is converted into the number of chromosome. As you can see, these are the half chromosomes and these are the duplicated chromosomes. And after the meiosis, one cell is converted into two cells, and after further cell division, these two cells are converted into further two cells, and from one cell we have achieved how many cells? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So basically meiosis is a process by which 46 chromosomes are transferred into 46 next generation offspring. Meiosis means to halve. This is the second step of cell division, which occur during the reproduction, but mitosis occur during the regeneration of any damaged cell. Thank you.